What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here with some systems of inequalities, but we are not graphing and solving these bad boys. We are asked, is the point a solution to the system of inequalities? So we want to know if it would fall in that shaded region. But we don't have to graph it to figure this out. We can just use substitution and see if it's a true statement. But it's like, what's a true statement, bro? Let's check it out, okay? If I plug in or substitute in 2 for x and negative 10 for y, let's write that out. We got negative 10 less than 2 times 2 minus 1. Is negative 10 less than, let's see here, 4 minus 1. Is negative 10 less than 3? It is, yeah. So that's a yes. That works. But does it work in the second one? Because we got to check both, okay? So for the second one here, we've got negative 10 going in for y. I'll start up here. Negative 10 is greater than or equal to, then we have 4, plugging in 2, plus 3. So we got negative 10 greater than or equal to 8 plus 3. And I think you probably already tell. I'm just going to finish writing it out here. Is negative 10 greater than or equal to 11? No. So no is my answer for this one right here. So it worked in one, didn't work in the other. I did not get a true statement. Negative 10 is certainly not greater than or equal to 11. Had it been flipped and been negative 10 is less than or equal to 11, our answer would be yes here. But it's not the case, so it's not the solution, okay? Next one. We got 3, 5. So we can use substitution once again for this. If I plug in 3 for x and 5 for y, I'm going to have 5 less than or equal to 3 parentheses 3 minus 1. So you get 5 is less than or equal to 9 minus 1. Is 5 less than or equal to 8? Yes, it is. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. We got 5 again for y less than 2 times 3 plus 6. So we got 5 is less than 6 plus 6, which would be 12. Is 5 less than 12? Yes, it is. So our answer is yes for that one. All right. We got ourselves a no. We got ourselves a yes. A nice little mix, if you will. All right. Let's go with blue for this one. So here I've got 4 comma 0. So if I plug in 4 for x, we got 3 parentheses 4 plus y, so plus 0. I'll just throw it in there anyways. Greater than or equal to 12. Well, I got 12 greater than or equal to 12. Is 12 greater than or equal to 12? Heck yeah, it is. All right. It's equal to 12, right? Next one. We got 4 going in for x and 0 going in for y. Be careful with these. Like when, don't think it's like the first variable every single time. People make that mistake. They just throw 4 in here. Y is 0. So I got 0 minus 6 times 4 is less than 7. So we got negative 24. Is that less than 7? Yes, it is. Check. Yes. Our answer is yes for this one. All right. Last one over here. We'll go orange this time. Orangey glad I picked that. And all right. Anyways, great joke. Okay. 5's going in for x. Negative 3 is going in for y. So negative 3. I'll make myself a little line. Whee. All right. Negative 3 less. Negative. There we go. Let me just write it instead of saying it over and over. And then we got 2 parentheses 5 minus 6. Okay. That look good there. Cool. So negative 3, then we got 10 minus 6. Is negative 3 less than 4? Yes, it is. Excellent. Okay, first one works. Second one. I always like when they work. I feel like I did it right when it works, but there is the chance for no to be your answer as we see. Okay, so don't be alarmed. Let's see here. 5 is going in for x, so we got 3 parentheses 5, and then we have greater than or equal to negative 3 going in for y. No coefficient, so we can throw parentheses, but you don't have to have them. Plus 1. I know I'm getting real close to the edge there. Ooh, I think it just fit. All right. So we got 15. Greater than or equal to, what's negative 3 plus 1? It's negative 2. Is that true? Heck yeah, it is. So yes. All right. We got 3 yeses on this one. First one was a no because it didn't work in one of them. If it's the first one that it doesn't work in, that's like, yes. All right. I don't have to even plug it into the second one. But there we go. Awesome. It's got to work for both of them. They got to be true statements that could be equal to like this one, right? There we go. All right. Awesome. Fantastic. Wonderful. Dope. See you dogs later.